everyone. So today I'd like to talk to you about the Motorola G8 Power. Now this phone has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. One of the things that makes this phone stand out, it's the large capacity battery, 5,000 milliamps. It has a camera that's AI powered, dual audio or dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby, and it's low price tag. It's about $250. I'm going to do an unboxing of this phone and talk about some of the specs. I will say I have never used Android before. My brief stint with Android was the BlackBerry Motion. I had it for about a week. But since starting the YouTube channel, I have to be able to know what I'm talking about, honestly. So if I don't use a product, I can't honestly say or give an opinion on whether I like it or not. And so here we are, the Moto G8 Power. So let's jump right in and unbox this phone. I will set it up briefly just to show you some of the specs and what the phone actually looks like. But here we go. So there it is. And as you can see from the screen protector, Moto G8 Power, 5,000 milliamp battery, camera powered by AI, and dual stereo speakers tuned by Dolby, which is really nice for a phone that you can buy brand new, or you can pick up brand new for $250. Now, wow, it actually comes, I didn't realize this, so I didn't know this, but it actually comes with a case. This phone seems big for me. It's let's see here. It is a 6.4 inch phone, and I have big hands, but it does feel good in the hand. So it has a main camera with LED flash, 3 sub cameras, a fingerprint scanner, and a camera at the front. So let's pull the screen protector off. I will set this phone up quickly and we'll just take a look at some of the settings inside. So that seems to be quite satisfying. So let's put this aside for a second and let me show you what's in the packaging. We have some instructions, I guess, manual here, charger, USB-A to USB-C. So I actually didn't need to put in a SIM card or Wi-Fi or anything like that. I'm not going to do a software update, just look at the specs on the phone. So I can actually skip all that, which is nice. So here we go. I'm gonna just turn these settings off. I have no need for them. I'm gonna skip screen lock for now. And so we collect and report usage information to keep your software up to date, provide personal support, and help us improve our products and services. I guess you have to accept that. Again, you shouldn't have to be a test dummy for a phone company. You should be able to opt out of policies like this, honestly. To go to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Well, this is not new to me at all because I've actually been a BlackBerry 10 user for quite some time. So this is not a new way at all. I mean, BlackBerry had this going for them when they released BlackBerry 10 how many years ago. It's so funny to look at this phone and all these things seem familiar, even though I've never used this on Android or even gestures on the iPhone. Okay, so we'll just go to, and there you have it, the main screen for the Moto G8 Power. It is running Android 10. System updated on 12/1, 2019. Now, I also want to take a look at some of the Moto settings that this phone offers. And simple things like 3-finger screenshot, right? Isn't that convenient, right? That is so convenient. Something basic as being able to take a screenshot just by putting 3 fingers on the phone. Those are the things that Android has been known for. You know, simple actions like turning on the camera or turning on the flashlight just by shaking the phone. Wherever you may be and you need to have the flashlight turn on, a simple gesture is shaking the phone. And there are a lot more, just twisting the phone like that to turn the camera on, right? Again, simple basic things that makes Android what it is. But again, I'm not familiar with everything Android has to offer. So let's take a look at some of the gestures that are available in the Moto actions. So we have quick gestures: twist your wrist twice to open the camera, the fast flash, 3-finger screenshot, screen editor, flip to do not disturb, pick up the phone to silence the ringer, media controls, and swipe to shrink. Make the screen smaller with a simple swipe. Now, these conveniences make a lot of sense, and you would think a lot more manufacturers would implement things like that, right? Having a phone is having convenience, honestly. Being able to turn on a flashlight without actually carrying a flashlight makes a lot of sense. But again, I can see why someone who has Android, who have used Android, likes those conveniences. And maybe I can get used to it, maybe I can't. But the main reason why I've shied away from even really giving Android a try is the security issue. They have a problem with their App Store or the Google Play Store being run over sometimes by malicious apps. So if Alphabet can get Android under control and the App Store and their Google Play Store under control, where it is seamless, it works, the apps that are on the Play Store are approved and work for each particular phone, that would go a long way for consumers, right? Because sometimes, again, I haven't used these things, so I can't really speak on that. But just from the headlines, when you see Google Play Store, Android apps stealing data and malicious apps in the Google Play Store, it's not something you want to gravitate to. It's sort of like seeing a review for a restaurant that has bad food. You wouldn't want to go there, right? I shouldn't have to worry about downloading an app on the Play Store and having it be a security issue for my phone or for myself or anybody else that downloads through a legitimate site like the Google Play Store. You wouldn't want to go to a supermarket and buy food that is not safe, right? As simple as that. Make it safe for consumers so they don't have to worry about things like that. I just want to take a look at one more thing. So let's take a look at the battery setting really quickly. So should last until 4:45 p.m. with 47%. Also want to take a look at the display. Brightness level at 68%. And that's plenty bright for me. But wow, that does get really bright. Wow, that is nice. There's so much to do on this phone. So much to learn about it, actually. But I hope to at least gain some insights on how Android works and what I can actually do with the phone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.